Morning, guys. It's back again with the boy, with the niggerish, with your host. Yeah, me. As you know, location 254, nigga. I just woke up and you see the sunrise shining on my face. There it is. But it's too bright for the camera. Yeah, so anyway, today is 12th of December, which is on a Thursday, 2019, and it's a public holiday out here. It's Jamhuri Day. There's a river up close. You see that. Anyways, it's free day for most of us, and if it's free day for you, it depends on what vibe you at and what you'll be doing. So someone like me had to wake up like 6, man. 6 is not that early. It's the usual time. And you've got to help out. We've got a business happening around, so you've got to help out, organize everything. And after that, we walk over down river. Right? If you catch my feeling. And what we do, hey bye, we've got piggies. See them piggies? I don't know if you can see them. They're quite young, and he's just cleaning up. He's cleaning up. So, other than that, there's one piggy here that we've been waiting for it to bear kids. It's got new piglets. I'm telling you, this camera is so bad. You've got to keep touching on to change on the lighting stuff. So anyway, we've got new piglets, and let's have a look at this. See how many they are. You say never count, but let's find out. See them? Oh, damn, there's so many. Fuck, man. Yeah, so that's it. We just came down river to see what was happening. So I'm just renting this place to keep the pigs. This is not my place. I just bought like 3 pigs. Then you get a small place to keep the pigs. But he's got, the owner of this place, he's got like way big pigs. Way big pigs. Utapitia. Cabbage wanasema walileta jioni. Wanasema walileta cabbage jioni. Ulikujia? Asijaona, nimeangalia. Iko wazi. Imefunguliwa. So anyway, I had to shout out with the guy who takes care of the owner's farm pigs. So I've only got 2 pigs, as I was saying, and it just gave birth, So that's double, man, from 2 pigs. It's not even double, it's way more. It's like betting. Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, it's Jamhuri Day, and we're just gonna review this song from Wimbo wa Historia. So it's an African. I wish I had the subtitles on the song, or make one, so maybe you could understand what she's singing. Let's watch it. Let's watch it.